I bought a turbo for the pre-runner.
Okay, it's unboxing time. Let's do this. Now I know you're probably thinking, hey, Vinny, you just blew up an engine. You're gonna get a fresh rebuild. Now you're gonna pump a bunch of boost to it. You damn right we are. It's not. It's not free. They're a dime a dozen. We'll find a one. Don't need any reviews. Ooh, is this our boy? Is this our spinny boy? I think it is. I think this is our spinny boy. This is my first turbo, so I'm pretty stoked. Miller's just staring at me like, Dad, what the hell are you doing, boy? Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. Right there. Look at that. Look at that little spoolie boy. Oh, I'm stoked. I am so freaking stoked. So this is a T4 turbo. Woo! Oh, it's a thing of beauty. All right, put this back in the bag. My biggest fear would be dropping this. Let's actually bring this to the ground. So for those of you who've been subscribed for a while, you guys probably know that the guys pretty much live vicariously through me because I'm the only one who spends money on any kind of parts. Fred's truck is basically done for what he's gonna do to it. Paul's truck, you're not gonna do anything more to it than he has. Look at that, there we go. Summit red, washable, clean air filter. So, you know, it is a Summit part, so I'm not gonna say this budget turbo is junk or anything. Probably some lines. We got our downpipe. I'm not gonna take it out of plastic right now. Ooh, jeez. Got our U-pipe, I guess. Yeah. It sits up underneath the engine. This has to be one of the physical headers. Maybe both, I don't know. One more box in there. Yep, so this looks like the actual, oh my god, these are heavy. Holy crap, so that's the one that the turbo actually sits on. So it'll bolt it up like that. That's the down tube with the V-band clamp. Whew, that's a heavy mofo. Yep. What we're gaining in weight, we're gonna have to hopefully make up for in power. That explains why this box is so heavy. Assuming that's probably the other one, I can open that up. A bunch of hoses and fittings. Ah, okay, so this is for the bottom of the downpipe. So you can either have it keep going, or you can just have it be that straight dump. There's probably clamps, and probably the clamp holding on the air intake, or the air filter, I mean. So this one, another cast piece, more kind of factory-ish style with the 3-bolt flange to bolt to that, I guess it replaces the Y pipe with the U pipe. I don't know what you want to call it. The only thing I haven't seen yet is the wastegate. Huh, does this one not come with the wastegate? Do I have to get one? Well, there's our oil lines. Yeah, this does not come with the wastegate. So that's something else we gotta buy. But maybe I can reach out to ADDW1 and see if they can hook us up with the wastegate. They're the same ones who hooked us up with the dash gauge overlay and the oil catch can. So we'll reach out to them and see what we can get done. So one thing that this kit didn't come with was an intercooler, a wastegate, a blow-off valve, anything like that. So there's a couple things we do need to get and we need to make work out for ourselves. So it looks like this is a 2.5-inch OD end on here. So we are getting 2.5-inch OD like silicone bends and 2.5-inch aluminum piping to make our own pretty much setup. That's gonna route the intercooler in the front of the truck, so I'll post which one I got off Amazon right here. Did
reach out to ADDW1 and they are going to be hooking us up with a blow-off valve, which is awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Can't wait to get it when it gets here. Also ordered a wastegate because this one didn't come with one but has a place for one. So ordered heat wrap to wrap the downpipe, a turbo blanket, a couple other lines, fittings. This hose, which it pretty much wants you to tap into the bottom of the oil pan, probably on the other side, but I don't want to do that, so that's not how we're going to go about it. I'm not going to tap in the oil pan. I found a couple other fittings that are going to work out way better to allow us to run it back to our oil cooler, because it's got an 1/8 inch MPT fitting for out and for back in. So that's how we're going to go around doing that. So pretty much it's going to be a 10 amp adapter off the bottom of the turbo. Other side, 10 amp adapter there, down to a 6 amp, run a 6 amp all the way back to here, and then I got an 1/8 inch MPT fitting to 6 amp to do all that. So that's going to be a much better way to cycle the oil through the system. One thing I noticed is this casting is very heavy. Hold on, I'm gonna sit down for a second. This casting is very heavy, but it's gonna work. It's so I got heat wrapping to wrap that all up. We got heat wrapping to wrap this U-pipe, whatever, heat wrapping to wrap the other one, and then, like I said, when I showed you earlier, came with all of our lines and everything. So basically anything that this kit didn't have that we needed to make work out, I'm going to have linked down in the description, and when we do the install, we're going to show you exactly how we're going to make all of that work. So if you are looking at doing this and you're not entirely sure how you want to work it out, even based off of the parts that I linked down in the description, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and that way you can see the actual install. We're going to show you everything and how we're going to make it all work. The other big thing that I'm going to do is I have my Edge CT2 in here for like monitoring all of the different things in the truck. So we are also going to be getting their EAS system, which I forget exactly what it stands for, but we're going to be getting their EAS system. That way I can monitor actual boost pressure. So we'll basically be able to tap in the little gauge that'll at least let us know what our boost pressure is. I'm still trying to figure out how much boost we're going to run. I told ADDW1 the max we're going to run is 12 psi. This being an engine that's going to get bored out to a 5.7, I don't know if I want to push too much boost through it, because the last thing I want to do is build this thing and blow it up. So yeah, that's another thing we are also going to be adding. So if you want to get an Edge CTS2, go down in the description, and I'll also link the EAS system as well. I am super stoked to see this turbo. Thank you ADDW1 for sending us that blow-off valve. Like I said, I will be linking all the parts down in the description. Please use our Amazon affiliate link to order this stuff. Helps out the channel. So yeah, the truck is getting turboed. So super stoked for this process. If you want to see it, hit that subscribe button. Please hit this like button. Once again, I'm Vinny with Caswell Customs. See you in the next one.
No. Pretty Caroline.